Hello everyone and welcome to another Voluta digital release form tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to use the returning client feature in our apps. The app we're using today was specially designed for teaching you about the basic functionality across all of our release form apps, so it will be the same steps no matter which app of ours you're using. Let's jump right in. So when we tap into the main page, off to the left there we can see the return client search bar. This will allow you or your client to search by their first or last name, and then you will need to enter your employee passcode. The default passcode for all of our apps is 1234. If you'd like to know how to change your default passcode, just tap the icon up in the top right. After that, we have our search results menu pop up, and as we can see, it not only shows the name, but it also shows the dates of each release form. Once we find the one that we're looking for, we tap it, and that will bring us to the form resubmission page. Since many of our release forms have health-related questions, if they answered yes to any kind of allergies or health conditions the last time they signed a release form, it'll pop up here to remind the employee. From there, you and your client will be able to review the release form from their last visit to make sure that all the information is still correct. If there are any changes you need to make, you can tap on Options down in the bottom left. From there, you can choose to make changes to the waiver, or you can start a brand new one. In many of our other release form apps, you'll have additional options like editing employee notes and the ability to update any financial information. When you're satisfied with all of your changes, just sign and hit Resubmit Form. Thank you for watching this Voluta digital release form tutorial. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel with more tutorials on how to set up and best utilize your app. And don't forget, if you're ever offline and unable to watch one of our videos, you can always head into your app and go to our How to Set Up and Use FAQ, and when you are connected, use our support page for more help.